Hey, so if you're not receiving notifications or email alerts from Confluence, yeah, that can be frustrating. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First thing, check your notification settings. Next, verify your email preferences. All right, check your spam folder. Now follow pages or spaces to receive updates. Next, confirm mentions are working. All right, check your permissions. You need access to get notifications. Now enable browser notifications. Next, refresh your session by logging out and back in. And yeah, check system status for any outages. So that's how you fix Confluence notification issues. Once fixed, you'll start receiving updates normally again.